Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Frank Deme here once again. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to play the Ghanaian popular Pentecostal praise bass lines. Okay, we'll be doing this lesson on key D. Okay, we'll be doing this lesson on key D. So, terms of how the Pentecostal bass lines go. Okay, it's very simple. It's very simple. Normally they revolve around do and re. Okay, do and re. Note that the key of our lesson is key D. Okay, okay, do re mi fa sol la ti do. Okay, do re mi fa sol la ti do. Okay, so now let's have a quick look at the progression of the song. Okay, it's the same thing I said earlier. It revolves around do and re. So ma I can play su oni but as I told you, it revolves around do and re. So instead of the so, I played re oni okay. Oh wow, that's do. Oh wow, then back to re. Oti then back to do. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so this is how I grooved in the first groove that I played, the first bass line that I played. So on the do, then oni ma dear nina, then I played la re on the re progression. Okay, oni ma dear nina, and that's when they do. Then back to re. Then back to do. It's very simple. So it's do here. Then back to do. Okay, that's the first bass line that I played, and the second bass line I played the working bass line here. Okay, so instead of me playing I played the I didn't play just the straight bass line. So as a working bass line. So you play do mi so fi fa. Okay, do mi so fi fa mi. Okay, fa. On the fa you play the octave note of the fa. Okay, so mi so fa, do mi so fi fa. Okay, then fa again. Fa mi do ti la. Then re mi fa la so do. Or instead of re mi fa la so do, you can play fa re mi so do. So to me or you can play okay, sort of okay, that's the working bass line. So do mi so fa, do mi so fi fa, fa mi do di la, re mi fa la so do, or do so fi fa mi so la re mi fa la so do, or do so fi fa mi do di la fa mi so do. Okay, so re mi fa la so, you can substitute it with fa re mi so do. Okay, it's very simple. Now you get the bass line, you're getting the first groove. Okay, the second groove I played was so man, okay, so this is the second groove, just like the first one. Okay, the first I played, but this one I played. So the second, the third groove, okay, the third groove for this lesson is so do la re la re la re la re okay. Then I also added another groove. Okay, so the third groove went like this. Okay, but over here when I played the do, when I played the bass line for this bass lines, the progression of these bass lines, so re do do, so re so re do. Then on the way I played la mi re, la mi re, then back to so re do do. Okay, I've played this bass line on my highlight, how to play highlight song. Okay, I played this bass line. If you've been following the lessons, you can see or you can hear that this bass line has been played before. Okay, so instead of I played so far so okay, so far so re do. Then on the way I played la so la la mi re, then back to do so far so re do. So it's that simple. It's very simple. Okay, notes, you have to get the progression very well. You have to get the progression very well. Then after that, you know how to groove on it. Note that the progression revolves around do and re. It's that simple. And the last bass line The last bass line that I played was the last bass line that I played was okay. On the do, I played so la fa so la fa so do. Then on the way I played la do re re. Then on the do so la fa so do. So la do re re. So la fa so do. So it's very simple. So this is what I played in the song. Okay, so you can go back and listen to the song and know how I played the various bass line in the song progression. Okay, I'll be brief here and I'll end the lesson here. Okay, and we have a look at other lessons in our next meeting. Okay, so kindly subscribe to the channel and comment whatever that you don't understand. Okay, I'll attend to you. Okay, so this ends our lesson today. Have a nice day and stay safe. Bye.